back with another recipe for you guys. This is my quick and easy flan caramel. This is so easy but delicious at the same time, and it's not hard to make, and I just want to show you my simple recipe that your family is going to love. So you basically start with these ingredients. You need 4 eggs, a can of condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You put all of this into the blender. You're going to mix until all the ingredients are blended. And there you go. That's your mixture for the flan. Now it gets interesting. We're going to make the caramel. And all I did was put half a cup of sugar in a pot and turned it on. Turn the heat on and you have caramel. But let me warn you, you have to watch it. You have to watch it because it becomes caramel really quick and it can burn, and you don't want burnt caramel. So I lowered the heat in mine, and then a few seconds later I have the caramel mixture, and I poured it into an 8-inch cake pan. And I'm going to cook this in a bain-marie, which is basically you're cooking in a pan full of water. So I put my pan with the caramel inside this pie plate with water. Nothing fancy here. You don't need fancy. It works. And I pour my flan mixture. And then I cover this with foil before I put it into the oven. As you can see, I did overfill my pie plate, so some of the water did pour out. This can happen to you. And now I'm going to bake my flan in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes. 50 minutes later, I tested the mixture with a toothpick, and it's still kind of wet, but it's done. So I did another test, which is the jiggle test. So I move my pan and I can kind of see that it's firm, it's set, it's perfect. So the toothpick does not have to be completely clean. Now you're going to chill this for 4 to 5 hours in the fridge. You do want the flan to be cold. Don't eat it straight out of the oven. It's not going to be as good. And I did run a knife around the rim just to loosen it. And then I'm going to flip it over. It might seem challenging, but the caramel is all liquid in the bottom. And it's going to help loosen the flan. And it comes out really easily. So you see all I did was run the knife around the rim, and then I flipped it over, and there you go. The flan. Delicious, easy to make. It tastes so much better than anything I've bought in a supermarket or at a store. It's homemade and it's yummy. And it literally took like minutes. And your family is going to be impressed. Your guests are going to be impressed. And this was so delicious. It's, again, one of my favorite desserts. And I hope to make more of these videos. I'm a busy mom, and I don't have time for really complicated stuff. I love food, but I also like things that are practical and that are quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you subscribe to my channel for lots more to come. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.